Okay, hey YouTube. Brooksman 10. And I'm using my digital camera. I don't know why I said this in that way. I'm loopy today. I don't know. Loopy. I like that word. Let's go find some bad thorn chickens, because KJ, this video is going to be for you. And yes, I call them thorn chickens, because the leader of the chickens is named Thorn. My little brother talking. Yeah. See those things moving back there. Trying to stub my toe because I'm walking my socks. Ow. Here, K-Day. K-Day. Oh. Like I said, I feel loopy today. There's a thorn chicken, so I got my finger. I think he's just saying forever. And there's a rooster. And he's mad, so I better get somewhere he can't get me. I'm getting my socks really dirty. Ah, no, move, V. Move. You need to move. Ooh, crap. Where did it go? I better not go in there. There's a bee over there. Chickens. Come on, Thorn. Crow. The leader's named Thorn. Come on. Move. Hey. Oh. I have my finger covering the microphone. Crow, you rooster.
Hey, don't hold the chicken.
I said crow, you rooster. Well, he's not in a crowy mood, so I guess I'll go over here. This is mostly for my friends at school. And if you know how I said one of the hens died because we had 12, and now I have 5, including the chicken, or the rooster, and we lost the rooster also, so we had 2 roosters. And that rooster was kind of the outcast, but then my rooster died, so now he's my rooster. Ow! Ah! Ugh, stepped on something sharp. Hey. Ugh, tickle. The chicken. And the chicken's name was Chicken. Died on the 10th of 2010. A little memo. Guess well, my name's Cole. And my little brother's name's Ethan. So my name's Cole. And here's the headstone. The chicken. Ow. So that's pretty much all. My gloves are up on the roof. So bye. It's been 10. Please comment, rate, favorite, subscribe. Anything. If you have any questions about chickens or care for chickens or anything, PM me.